Namaskar. Hello and welcome to P Guru's channel. I'm your host Sri Iyer. What is stopping this government from framing the rules for CAA or the Citizenship Amendment Act? It's now 2 years since this law came into effect and the rules are yet to be formed. We must remember that it was on the 11th of December 2019 that the law was passed on the floor of the parliament, and it came into being or it came into effect on the 10th of January 2020. It's now 2 years. CAA remains only in name. It is yet to be, the rules are yet to be formed, and it's really sad that this government that did so much in the first few months of its second term has now started dragging its feet. What is the problem? What is ailing this government? Will someone explain? Sometimes, some of the erudite commentators will put in the actual comment via YouTube or some other platform as to why these things are happening. These are well-wishers. I'm thankful. So I would just like to know, because I feel as many NRIs who stood up for the government of India and supported India, showed facts and showed the mirror to some of the people who were mischief makers, who were trying to get an anti-CAA resolution passed, city after city, council after council. It was only the 8th or the 9th city council in Chicago that the NRIs could effectively stop this anti-CAA resolution from proceeding further. Right now it has stopped, but I can tell you there are 52 total city councils that are rumored to have been given the money to go after and pass this anti-CAA resolution to try and apply some sort of pressure. Today we are seeing that a foreign outfit is claiming credit for stopping the entourage of the Prime Minister last week in Punjab, and in fact they have been now making threatening calls to lawyers and Supreme Court judges that no one should take up the case. As a matter of fact, the case has already been heard and the orders, the judgment has been reserved. It's going to be just a matter of days before it will come out. But be that as it may, what is it that is preventing this government from framing the rules? After all, the dates are known. The cutoff date was supposed to be the 31st of December. The number of countries were 6. They even had the number, it was 34,000 or something like that. In fact, the breakup was there country-wise and religion-wise. Everything was there. And why is this government not moving forward? I would really like to know. Is it because 2 days after the CAA, the Home Minister Amit Shah made an announcement in the Parliament that NRC, the National Registry Council, will come into effect for the whole of India. And then again, that too was slow walk, because a few days later, Prime Minister Modi, addressing another a rally, said that that was not going to be implemented, which is wrong. Now I'm hearing that the government has taken a stand that it will not support UCC or Uniform Civil Code. I think, for a democracy to start maturing, we are getting into the 75th year of getting the independence. It has to at least have the same law that applies to all its citizens. As the most populous democracy in the world, it behooves India to have a uniform civil code. It should have been done first, and it's a very sad state of affairs that now, in the 75th year of independence, it's still not being enacted. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Namaskar.